Howdy, 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 all that good stuff. Listen, today's the last day of vacation. My voice is still as bad as it ever was. I think I need to take a couple days off from talking. I think that is going to help. It would be really helpful, especially to everybody else's ears, because all they hear is me diz-jabbing away. So, DizJabberz, what's the schedule for today, the itinerary? Let me tell you, today's the last day. No! Check this out. Today is the last day. No way, man. I can't believe it went just like that. My body feels like it took like years off of my life. Or maybe added some years to my life. Who knows? What I do know is that this morning we're going to Animal Kingdom. It has not stopped being cold since last night. So as you see, Christian is wearing the traditional sweatshirt with Vlog Life, DizJabberz71 logo on it. Heading for the bus. We found a little shortcut to the bus from where we are. Is that Animal Kingdom?
Disney Springs.
No, straight ahead, Animal Kingdom. Want me to jog?
Go for it.
All right, DizJabberz. Here we go. Oh my gosh, thank you, sir. So the bus driver was kind enough to hold up while I ran all the way from the room to the bus. Goodness gracious, I just made it. We got everybody on. Bus is not crowded to capacity, but it's standing room. And we have Sam to the right, Sophie to the left. Oh, great, stick her tongue out. That's great for the vlog, isn't it? We made it. Animal Kingdom, the bus took us straight here. Made that bus. That was really helpful. And check that out. We're going that way to Animal Kingdom. Guys, I can't believe it's our last day. But we're going to make the most out of it because Animal Kingdom this morning, and I was saying before, I had to do the Chariots of Fire run. Dun, 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 dun. Not that many of you will know what that is. I'll put some music in there as I'm running. Maybe you'll get it. Oh man, now we're gonna take a little walk around this bus loop. How about a long walk around this bus loop? Because this is a hike. Oh, but we're gonna cut right through there. So we're good. The bus is blocking our way. So we thought we were gonna have to take a huge 5K for Run Disney. We didn't even sign up for it. All right, so TT right here has her cousin on her shoulder.
I am Groot.
Here she is. That's not really Groot's voice, but this is the modified Groot 2.0 for the TT.
He changes the way he sounds depending on how he's feeling.
Oh, so he's feeling little mellow yellow. All right, so now we're gonna head into Animal Kingdom, and like I was saying before, spend a few hours here, and then we're going to jet right over to the room, get packed up, and then she's packed. And then we're going to, looks like we're going to Hollywood Studios tonight. So that's going to be fun, I think, right?
Yes, getting up super early for the flight is not going to be fun.
But it's not as early as it was.
And getting home to a frozen house, not going to be fun.
Yeah, we got no heat right now. So let's hope everything is good when we get back inside.
I can't even imagine if it's this cold down here, what it's like at home and how cold our house has gotten. Because there's literally everybody who we would want to help us with this situation is here with us.
Yep, watch the pole, gong.
So.
They're selling winter coats here. All right, let's go. This guy's scary. So it's a little chilly out. We're going to head into Animal Kingdom. We have 9:20 Safari Fast Passes, and it's starting to pick up with the crowd, as you can see. People behind me, it's getting a little crowded. Oh, there. Hey! Like and subscribe. Gonna move around here. It's pretty crazy here. What are your names?
Mitzi, Liz.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm doing a Disney vlog on YouTube.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Very cool.
All right, so you guys get the chance to be on it. All right, if you're okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. You guys have any fast passes today?
Oh, we have our annual. Yeah, we are annual pass holders.
No, like fast passes.
Oh, yeah.
What are you going on?
Everest and Dinosaur.
What about Flight of Passage?
Well, I mean, we've done that
That's
already.
a day.
So not today?
Yeah, that's today. We've
All
done
right.
that line already, so
Yeah,
we
that's
got it.
crazy.
We got it.
That's the hardest one to get, but
Yeah.
I'm happy for you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Enjoy.
So, just picked up 2 more subscribers. How awesome is that? Met them online. Hey, they're gonna subscribe. They wanna see themselves on the vlog. My goodness. Now, we're heading on to the safari. So, Epcot is not, you know what? Epcot was freezing last night. This is not as cold. Thank goodness. Epcot, what I was going to say, is crazy last night. It felt like it was 32, below zero. Hopefully we don't get to that depth of temperature. You like that? Depth? Frigid. Now, as I've said before, Animal Kingdom's always uphill. No matter which way you're going. Goodness gracious. All right, we're about to pass this young lady right here with a Groot on her shoulder. And we're about to see the Tree of Life. So Animal Kingdom has all its decorations up. That tree you saw this morning looked amazing. This tree, look how green the leaves are. That's fantastic. Making a left turn. Now around the corner, they do have some wreaths up and they have some garland. It looks very festive for the holidays. I'm really excited about this. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's a problem that I'm singing. All right, here we go. Moving along. Groot is just chilling. He's chilling like a villain. Ah, Pizzafari and the bird. All the birds flock to Pizzafari. Get it? Flock. I'm here all night. Try the Pizzafari. Want some ice cream, TT?
No, I'm gonna go to Starbucks and get myself my peppermint drink.
Peppermint drink?
Yeah.
I'm talking about ice cream sandwiches and
Peppermint
Mickey
mocha.
premium bars. That's crazy. So we're in Starbucks right now. It doesn't seem like we're gonna make our first fast pass of 9:20 to 10:20 of Safari. Sophie's hungry, didn't get anything to eat this morning, which, I don't know. All I know is that I ran for a bus. I ran for a bus and still can't make this fast pass. Kind of angers me, a little bit, but what am I gonna do? Anyway, all right, so we got TT behind me somewhere in line getting Starbucks. Might as well take advantage now. We're getting Sophie a bagel. TT's gonna get some crazy pepper mocha latte crunch nachos grande. So, didn't know Starbucks made nachos. hey, you know what? We learn something new every day. It's all good, as long as Sophie eats and she's in a good mood, so we can do some other stuff. Vlog life. All right, DizJabberz. Everybody seems like we're soothing and taming the wild beasts by giving them sustenance. So, bagel, water, chocolate milk, coffee, getting them set up, because it's better to deal with family on a semi-full stomach than the hangry family. That would be a great YouTube channel, the hangry family. And they're always angry, they're always yelling, and they're always hungry. And they never ever seem to eat. That would be amazing. Like, they never eat. They're always hangry. I'm copywriting that. Me and Mr. Giraffe, check him out. All right, this is my cousin, Leroy. You know what makes me laugh? Besides Animal Kingdom Christmas music? The people that are with the kids in the strollers, right? Especially the double strollers. And I just passed one guy. He's still running. The people that are like on a jog in Animal Kingdom because they have their kids and they're either late for a fast pass or they're trying to catch up to something or maybe get their child to the bathroom. And just watching them do their, wow, that guy was kind of rude, man. He didn't even like say excuse me. Punk. And so it's funny watching them run, and they have this like look on their face. Like, I swear to God, I know this look. I know it because I'm watching them do it. And it's like intent. They're going. They're getting where they have to go. Whether or not lose a kid, whether or not lose their purse, magic fan falls off. It's all part of the plan. You know what? Hey, you got to get to where you're going, right? So, just gonna wait on them to finish eating, and then we are heading that way. Guys, I'm gonna miss this. I gotta take it all in. They're sitting there just chowing down and on drinks and bagels. We're in flipping Animal Kingdom, man. You gotta make do. You gotta walk. You gotta look at the kiosks. You gotta get, what is that, popcorn? Gotta get popcorn. So the snacking don't stop till I walk in, and I can't go to sleep before the day ends. In the meantime, I'm gonna have a lion's paw. Check it out. It's a sugar cookie, it looks like. A shaped sugar cookie. Looks like it has the hard icing, and because of how cold it is, this icing is gonna be hard regardless. So I'm gonna check out this cookie and see how it is. All right, so lion's paw. Feels really hard and crisp like a cookie. Like a real cookie, because cookies that aren't hard are cake. Here we go. That is yummy. I'm very excited about this cookie. This is just the way I like it. It's hard. The icing is really, really like not soft, and it's sweet. I'm not a big sweet person. Maybe there was some bacon on there or something. Yeah, but it's really good. This is a good snack. So it's $3.50. Lion's Paw over by Pizza Fari. In between that, Creature Comforts for Starbucks. So now, another bite. That is yummy.
This is like my flip-flop cookie that I usually get. I love these cookies.
He's gonna have to.
They're awesome. I don't necessarily agree that a cookie has to be hard. They can be soft, but
It's good, right? It's yummy.
it's I said it's they make these cookies pretty much everywhere in Disney, and they're all made the same way. I like the.
I feel like the icing's a little harder on this one than normal.
I think it's cold. If you feel it, it's cold.
Oh yes! TT spit on the camera! Yay! I'm gonna make slow motion. Dun, 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 dun.
Why, my brother already has me spitting out blueberry muffin.
Yes, blueberry corn muffin, by the way.
Yeah, oh, great. Yeah, okay.
I knew there was a corn taste to
But
it.
I think it's because it's cold. That's why you feel like
All
it's
right,
hot.
well, you know what? I'm gonna eat those whenever it's cold. When it's hot, I don't. So the direction I pointed you all in before, incorrect, because that is going towards Africa, and that's where the safari is. And like I said, we are not making that fast pass today. So now we're going in the opposite direction. Bye, Pizza Fari is coming up. And then going to head to Pandora. Last time I was in Pandora, I spent a week there one night. Literally, could not find my way out. All right. It was dark there, TT. You go to Pandora at night by yourself. You tell me.
I've tried to see Pandora at night because I want to see it all lit up, but it never happened.
Well, I'm sorry, TT. I'm sorry. She don't get DizJabber life. Ooh, bubbles. Let's go to Pandora, guys. Now we're making our way onto one of the most sought after fast passes in this world. Flight of Passage. Oh, whoa. Oh, snap. Look out. Somebody had...
Don't ask what's in the cup, my friend.
Somebody got her groove on. She was all la schmoove on that. All right. She's still laughing about it. She can't believe herself that she snorted. She can't believe she did that. She lost her mind. I don't know if it's Starbucks or Sambuca.
That's why I said, don't ask what's in the cup.
Wow, this is awesome. All right.
Why is it so smoky?
It is smoky. I'm ready for a cheeseburger pod, baby. I'm eating them this time. I'm not leaving here without a cheeseburger pod. Unless it's not being sold at this time. Flight of Passage. Flight of Passage. On our way. There is the standby line. This is where you get all the dirty looks. People looking at you like, oh, you have fast passes to Flight of Passage. Well, guess what? We pass them all by, and we probably won't see them again. But if we do, I'm sorry. So we're gonna make our way all the way up here. Wow. The benefits of Fast Pass Plus and being up at 7 a.m. to do this.
We need to get a castle to fit all these toys. Is that what it is?
It's like 20,000.
20,000. Why don't you build a castle out of your toys?
That's a good idea.
That is a good idea.
Don't give her that idea again now.
Okay, I'll start it.
Oh, here we go.
Oh no.
Who gets to live in your castle?
On a banshee high above Pandora.
We haven't tried cheeseburger pods yet. Are the cheeseburger pods like, would you recommend?
They're an acrobatic.
All the
They're
things?
amazing.
All right, I'm doing it.
You also gotta get the blueberry cheesecake mousse.
Okay. I'm not a cheesecake guy, but I'm gonna try it.
Wait, cheesecake where?
Blueberry.
Julie Canteen, when you come out,
Did you hear that?
go
Cheesecake.
through Wind Traders, our merchandise location. Immediate left, you can't miss it.
My cousin's name is Lily Rose. Baby Jacob.
Yes, they need to know all your cousins' names.
I got all of them.
So I know your cousin's names, but I don't know your name.
Oh my gosh.
Sophia.
Sophia. I should have known.
Like,
I
you
should.
should've
Sophia the
known that.
first, right?
Sophia the first. It's not Elsa.
Yep.
Is it Sophia, Elsa?
Sophia Tiffany. Yep. That's
Depends
your
on the
name.
day, on the mood.
Sophia Michelle Goodyear.
That's your full name.
Pretty name. My name's Justin. Nice to meet you. My name's Justin. Justin, Ekron, Banshee Tracker, Justin.
Wow.
You gonna remember that? Yeah?
Yeah?
Make her get it.
Can you remember my Starbucks order? It's a latte, skinny, one chicken panini, caramel macchiato. Awesome. Then we're gonna be 1 through 5.
The air blows.
We're about to get on Flight of Passage.
It's a light blow. You're fine.
Check it out. We're gonna listen to that awkward guy talk. He's like, awkward.
Okay, Dr. Steve.
DizJabberz. We have met the most amazing cast member, Braylon, and he, oh my gosh, he has caused he has made our Disney vacation magical. There's for lack of words, magical. Braylon, Avatar, Flight of Passage, guys, I can't say enough about this guy. Please check him out at Braylon J, Instagram. He is fantastic.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
Yo, I'm hope to see you guys again.
You will see us again.
Oh yeah, we're here.
Most definitely.
The whole family's gonna be working for you.
I'm excited.
Hopefully you guys come to Pandora.
I know. I don't know if I can
I
get
would
rid of
love
it.
it. So DizJabberz, we just had the best, most magical experience probably that we've ever experienced here. It's bringing me to tears that people can be so amazing and not know people's backstory. Like, all Sophie did was say, I want to ride it again. And this guy was standing there. Braylon, I can't thank you enough. You made this family, you brought this family to its knees. Dude, you are amazing. We hope to see you again. And I'm sure we'll be in touch. I love you, dude. DizJabberz, we're going to Satuli's Canteen. I ordered the cheeseburger pod and the hot dog. The cheeseburger pod and the hot dog. Oh my God. Look, it's decorated for merry, merry, very merry holiday, Christmas time. There's no other time to come here because it's amazing at this time. But if you can't make it here, you know what? Hey, so that is cool. All right, let's try and go inside. Yeah, Allison doesn't want to be outside. TT's getting the special limited edition pumpkin mousse cheesecake. And now we're gonna go find the seat inside Satuli Canteen.
It was a chopped
Boba's like
wood-grilled chicken bowl
Yeah,
with
it's
rice
like
and beans
wood-grilled.
and charred green onion vinaigrette.
it's pretty good.
You sure?
Oh yeah, it's really good.
All right, so these look like fruity. All right, TT, your turn.
I have, it looks like a pumpkin, and hopefully it will taste like a pumpkin. Oh, look, I got some of these little balls too. So the inside's just regular cheesecakey. See the inside's regular cheesecakey? Okay, here we go. It is pumpkin pie cheesecake. Pumpkin spice, you can taste the pumpkin spice, but it's not like too much of that pumpkin spice. And it's nice. Yum yum. I like it. Oh, it's
Delicious?
Like yeah, it's delicious. It's like a green Hershey kiss on the top too.
Oh, check it out. All right. I finally got the cheeseburger pod. It's been a few years in the making, and I've just haven't pulled the trigger, and now I am. No ketchup first.
Can I see what's inside it?
What's it? It's beef. Meat.
I get what everybody says.
Pie.
Very close to
The
McDonald's.
cheese quesadilla.
Like,
it's just cheese. So that's
Crazy
right.
close to a McDonald's burger.
Take a bite from like right
Yummy.
here, so there's cheese.
Now this
Wait,
hot dog
You gotta bite the cheese.
in like a
Pete.
pastry,
Try it with
pretzel,
cheese.
Annie Ann's looking doughy kind of thing, but it smells
I
yummy.
promise you'd like these,
Fresh
because
baked.
Mommy loves them. And they're easy. You sure?
Ooh. Mmm. That's fantastic. The bread has a sweetness to it.
No, I know, honey.
Oh my God. You'd
This
like
is
that.
for picky eaters.
Want to try it?
Try it.
Yeah. Oh, do you have my phone? You never
I
gave me
do.
some.
I didn't know that it was in my
Oh, that's yummy. That is very, very. You're right. It does have a little. It's like a sweet roll.
Yep.
No. Don't play with it because they don't want it to fall.
It's good.
It's good.
Yummy.
So you know you can get something
So
here.
I get all your idea.
DizJabberz, you know how I do it.
Bunch of chips too.
Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. Like Cheeger's Burger Pod. It's just close to McDonald's. It's like, it's yummy. Yeah, it's a yummy thing. I'd get it again. And the hot dog. Both those things are fantastic. It's crazy that you like stay away from something for years until you're like, I'll finally try it. And then you're like, what have I been missing out on? Now the chips look pretty good. Mmm.
I didn't even need to.
Salty. They're almost like a sweet potato chip almost. Yeah. But they are well done. I feel like they're yummy.
No,
Just
they're
yummy.
vegetable chips.
Oh, they're vegetable chips even. So, hey, they're yummy.
Sophie doesn't.
I used to like vegetable chips.
Yeah, I'll try it. Take a bite. Yeah, I don't like this stuff.
I ate a cheese quesadilla and it was great. Perfect for picky eaters.
So Sam got a cheese quesadilla.
And now Matt's trying the pumpkin.
How was your cheese? Where is the cheese quesadilla?
Matt's
And now
trying the
Matt's
pumpkin.
trying. You missed it. It was a kid's meal. I ate it.
party today,
Is he on there?
so I had to switch things around, so I couldn't get it out.
The one time I didn't hold it for you because I didn't know you were going back for it.
It's good,
That's
right?
Really good. That's really good.
Yeah. See, the smile on his face makes me think that is better than that. Yep, I knew it.
Or he's like me and we like desserts better than food.
Yeah.
Can you hold it? Hello everybody, I'm eating grapes. But I like put my cheese in there to get the juice out.
Sophie trying the grapes.
Yep.
That's a perfect bite. Look at that grape. Look how she cut it right in half with her teeth.
They're sharp
Now,
teeth.
what color grapes are you eating there, Miss?
I'm eating purple grapes.
Purple seedless grapes, right?
How do they taste?
Excuse me.
Are they juicy?
They're good.
Are they sweet? They're not sour, they're sweet. Yeah. Is that why you like them? Because you're not a big fan of sour stuff,
Tell
right?
the DizJabberz watching. Do you think that getting the grapes?
Look at this little baby.
These are good.
Yeah, I like them.
Can you
You like
tell
the
the
chips,
DizJabberz that these are a good snack for kids?
You got a good snack for kids because they don't have any seeds and stuff. And look at this little baby.
A baby grape? Don't eat them. Ow!
I didn't know there was sticky stuff on top of it, but when I bit it.
We are making our way out of Pandora, past Tiffin's, past the Nomad Lounge, just making our way to Everest, one of my top 5 rides in Walt Disney World. Sophie and TT are going on the boat ride. I went on the boat ride, it was fun. I just would rather go on something like Everest. Passing the Tree of Life. Had a fast pass for it, for TT and Soph, but they're like, no, we're going on El Bote ride. All right. I would like to go on Dinosaur, but nobody else likes Dinosaur. Dinosaur's like one of the greatest rides ever. See, here's the crazy thing. With a stroller, that's Sam's strength. That's when she goes super fast. Without a stroller, it's her weakness. She's super slow. But, oh no, I could be moving.
So could I, but I don't.
No, not without the stroller. That's your weakness, being without the stroller. Because once that stroller's in her hands, she's like super duper.
Man, we're not in like a crazy rush right now.
We're not in a crazy rush, but it seems like whenever Sam has the stroller, it gives her these powers.
Well, she's always in a rush when she has the stroller.
Well, that's not necessarily true.
There's always something that has to be
Not
done.
necessarily true.
She gets road rage when she's behind the wheel of a stroller.
That's stroller rage.
People just stop right in front of you.
All right.
Don't stop. Not you guys, sorry. Like if you would have, that would have been fine. Because I'm like, oh.
They have like 5 kids. Good Lord, good for you.
I asked.
God bless.
Now for me, listen to this. He would rather go on this than Dinosaur, which, okay, I agree,
Yes.
but he doesn't want to go. They don't even like Dinosaur. How do you not like Dinosaur?
So scary.
Dinosaurs even.
And it's so jerky.
Dinosaur is scary. This thing,
Right.
I don't trust animatronics.
I mean, I guess, no, just go right.
I don't.
first row, Everest. We doing this. I have my hood on, keep my hat on and my glasses. Sam and Matt are behind me in the second row. Oh, it's on now, DizJabberz. You got it. All right, DizJabberz. Here we are, first row of Everest. I got Matt behind me, putting his hood up. I got Sam behind me, no hood. Oh boy, let's do this.
That's scary.
What?
Seeing your phone is scary.
Why?
Oh my god.
Love it. Oh, that's fun. DizJabberz. Once again, the pork egg roll from Anandupar eludes me. The line is ridiculously long. I would rather give up on one egg roll and go back and go shopping quick and get over to Hollywood Studios for a fifth ride. Do you count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A fifth ride on the Millennium Falcon. That's going to be super exciting. And then there's Slinky Dog, and then there's Tower of Terror, Rock and Roller Coaster. We have a fun-filled day, but sadly, when we get back to the room, we're going to have to pack. So now we're going to move along through this tumultuous crowd. Like that word tumultuous. It's probably used totally the wrong way, but guess what? That's how we roll here. Bug's Life is letting out.
Sophie, you match.
You match with him.
Oh, did you hear that?
Look at that cute little guy. He's so fluffy.
Soph, do you want to take a picture with the penguin?
Yeah.
Since you're both so
You got it, Sam?
snowy.
Look
at me. Up
Video
here.
with the penguin. That's one video.
Is it going or no?
Yeah.
I call her Quinn. Short for penguin.
You shake hands.
Oh, that's it's so much. Oh, Gwen. I know he's very nice. You have to stay with me though. You can't go.
You want to come home to New Jersey?
It's nice and cold
Over
there.
there. I mean, not today,
Not
but it's
today.
colder than Florida.
Yeah.
What
33.
Oh, fish, more fish, tuna fish.
No French fries off the ground, popcorn.
Oh no, she's too good for that.
Oh, my
That's
bad.
right. Yeah.
My bad. It was a pleasure
baby.
meeting you. Gwen.
I know, yeah.
Are they your baby?
Gwen, right here. Ready?
Are they your baby?
Oh my gosh! Oh, thank you so much.
Wait, have one today. Thank you.
They're waiting.
You matched them too.
Boy or girl?
It's a little boy.
Boy. What's his name?
He doesn't have one yet. Do you have any suggestions for putting a list together?
I know.
What?
Sealy.
Sealy the seal.
Sealy.
I like that.
Cecilia.
We'll put it on.
It's a boy though, but hey, what are you gonna
He
do?
likes lots of names.
Look at him. He's so sweet.
Kind of bad.
You do kind of match. You match everyone. Did
You
see
do.
the
You're matching
penguins?
everyone.
There's some penguins around here. Reindeer.
So amazing.
I really like
Yeah.
my toy.
You got your own.
Look at the seat.
Thank you for spending time with us.
Yeah, of course, no problem. You have a great day. Okay.
Thank you.
Bye, Sealy. So we had a successful trip here to Animal Kingdom. Quick little back and forth. Got some rides in. We got some souvenirs done. We got some food in our bellies. Now it's back to the room to pack up. Then Hollywood Studios tonight. TT, I got some super scalding hot chocolate in my hand. So I'm gonna need you to do the outro with the DizJabberz71 out.
DizJabberz71. Out.
Hey DizJabberz, this is Kichita Magic from Florida. Always remember to reach for the sky.